Are you suffering from persistent coughing that just won't go away?
Coughing for weeks, months, or even longer can be more than just an inconvenience. It could be a sign of something serious.
Chronic cough can be linked to a range of respiratory issues like asthma, bronchitis, allergies, or even early signs of lung conditions.
If you've been coughing for more than 2 weeks, it's time to consult a pulmonologist. Visit Akshar Pulmo Care. At Akshar Pulmo Care, we offer expert pulmonology services to diagnose and treat all types of lung issues. Book your appointment now.